Students, this is Karan Kumar. Today I am going to discuss about the configurations of a transistor. Okay, see here. So, for a transistor, there are three terminals. One is emitter, second one is base, third one is collector. Okay, now this emitter, base, collector, any one of the terminal is connected to an earth, then it is said to be common. Okay, that means if emitter is connected to earth, then it is common to the base and collector. That means if it is closed like this, then this is common for both base and collector. If it is common, that means if base is common, then it is connected to emitter and collector. If collector is common, then emitter and base should be connected to collector. So like that you will see here. Now I am taking the PNP transistor in common base configuration. Common base configuration. This is CB means common base. That means base is common for both the emitter and the collector. Now let us consider this electric symbol, electronic circuit symbol. Then what happens? This is P, this is N, this is P. So you wrote like this: emitter, base, collector. Now it is earthen. When it is earthen, then it is said to be what? Input. It is said to be output. Okay, this is also represented like this in the diagram. P, N, P. This is emitter, this is base, this is collector. Then this is earthen, and this part will be here as input, and this part will be here as output. Okay, this is the common base configuration. So input is what? Emitter. Output is what? Collector. So in the common base configuration, the current gain is equal to small change in the output voltage by small change in current in input voltage. What is the output here? Collector. What is the input here? Emitter. Okay, yesterday we wrote IE equal to IB plus IC. Now apply delta on both sides. Delta IE equal to how much? Delta IB plus delta IC. Delta IE equal to delta IB plus delta IC. So if you want to write here, delta IC by delta IB plus delta IC. Okay, now take this one as the ratio. Then this current gain is equal to 1 by delta IB by delta IC plus 1. Okay, delta IB by delta IC plus 1. Right. Next one, P PNP transistor in common emitter configuration. PNP transistor in common emitter configuration. Okay, now this is now take like this. This is wrong. Now this is earth end. This is the emitter or not? PNP. This is emitter. This is the base. This is the collector. So here what is the input? The input is base. The output is collector. Okay. Now in common emitter configuration, the current gain is represented by current gain is equal to change in collector current by change in base current. Change in collector current by change in base current. So this change in collector current by change in base current in common emitter configuration is represented by beta. Okay. This current gain in common base configuration is represented by alpha. So the relation between alpha and beta is alpha equal to 1 by 1 by beta plus 1. That means beta by 1 plus beta. Okay. Now cross multiply, then you will get alpha equal to beta multiplied with 1 minus alpha, beta equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Okay. Now the third condition is PNP transistor in common collector configuration. Common collector configuration. That means here this is the input, emitter, base, collector. Now this collector is earth end. This is the PNP. Then what is the input here? Base. What is the output here? Emitter. So the configuration will be like this. There is a small amount of current changes. Okay. Mostly the alpha and beta in the problems, the value of beta is more. If the value of current gain is given up to 100, from 1 to 100, then you can take it as beta. If from 0 to 1, then you should convert as alpha. So you want to relate the alpha and beta, then use this formula. So from that only you will get the current gain as well as voltage gain as well as power gain. For example, here if you want only voltage gain in the common emitter configuration, then you should write like this: voltage gain in common emitter configuration. Very important for skill. Voltage gain in common emitter configuration, okay, is change in output voltage is nothing but VCE. Change in, this is represented by A suffix V. Change in the voltage across the base emitter voltage. From Ohm's law, we know that this V equal to IR. This IR nothing but I means delta IC output current, delta IB input current. Output resistance is represented by RL. Input resistance is represented by RI. This delta IC by delta IB is called what? Current gain. So this is represented by beta, RL by RI. This is the voltage gain in common emitter configuration. And next one, power gain. That power gain is represented by product of voltage gain and current gain. So voltage gain is represented by beta RL by RI, and power gain is represented by beta. Then you will get beta square RL by RI. Sometimes the beta value will not be given, alpha will be given. So that you should convert by using this formula. So you can get the beta value. Then substitute here. Then you will get the power gain. Okay. It is very important conversion of alpha and beta, because the current gain in common emitter is preferred than common base. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel Sri Sai Physics for Mains and NEET. Okay. And also share to the maximum number of persons who are watching the first year and second year studying students. Okay. Thank you.